So guys, in this particular video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a proven and a very profitable way you can use to make money from this crypto market. Okay, even if you are starting with a small amount of money, okay, with a low capital, you can use this to make a lot of money. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, maybe you are using 20 USD or 50 USD to start this particular trade. Okay, it's a spot trade. You can carry out this trade on Binance, Bybit, Mexi, and Get.io. Okay, or any exchange you are using. So the first thing for you to do is to analyze the market. Okay, once you are trading spot, because this particular strategy works only in spot, okay, for now. So the first thing for you to do is to look for a particular coin that have gone low in the market, just like this first coin called P-Stake. Okay, so now when you come over to this particular the particular coin you want to trade, okay, the next thing for you to do is to come over to 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is where you see it over here. Okay, so now once you have come over to this 4-hour time frame like this, then the next thing for you to do is to look for a fair value gap. Okay, this is a proven strategy. You can also use this in future, but where it normally works for me is in spot. Okay, look for a fair value gap. Okay, and what is a fair value gap? A fair value gap is when a particular coin or a particular trade is going on, there are a space just like this. There are gaps, just as you can see over here. There is a gap. Okay, if you change this to 1 hour time frame, you can see it more better. Okay, as a beginner, all this particular line that this gap you see here, it has to be filled. Okay, let's assume this particular coin is just up like this. It's just at this particular level. Okay, it just at this particular level, trending at 0.00699. Okay, when you see it like this, it doesn't mean a market does not go one direction for a very long time. Okay, it doesn't work that way. There is gonna be a correction, which you just saw here. Okay, you can see after the coin have gone up for a very long time, what happened? It started going down. Okay, so look for a particular coin that have gone up just like this, up like this. Okay, and but for spot, okay, you need to look for a coin that have gone this far. Okay, this down. Okay, then it has to do what? Correct. So you can see that immediately this particular coin have gone to this particular level, to this place. Now what happened? It went down for it to do what? To correct. Okay, so it can continue and come below this level before it can now go up again. Okay, so now let's take a look at a particular coin. Okay, look at it here. Okay, so now you can see this particular place now where we are, that there was a fair value gap here. Look at the fair value gap. Now this coin was going like this, going down. Okay, now, and as you can see, it continued to go down in 4 hours time. This is 4 hours, but did it continue that way? No. The answer is no. You can see that it went up. After it went down this way, now you see there was a fair value gap. So this fair value gap needed to be filled back. So what happened? Boom, it corrected itself after some hours by going up. Look at it, it went up here. Okay, before, even if it wanted to go down, continue, it will first of all correct those gap before it now goes down. Okay, did you understand what I said? Also remember, I have a VIP group where I share signals, okay, which you can use to profit, make a lot of money. And I have a class where I teach you step by step on how to go about it. So now, and it now continued to go down until it came to this particular place. Okay, now let's look for a new coin that we are going to buy that have this occurrence. Okay, now let's take a look at this particular second coin, which is this particular one. Okay, so now make sure you doesn't trade this kind of coin, which is a new coin. Okay, you can see this particular one. Okay, what I will only do here is to short this particular market, which have gone to this level. So but this is not what we are looking for. Let me look for another coin that this is exactly what I'm talking about. Now you can see that there was a gap here. Look at that gap. This particular coin is what I'm going to be buying. Now look at what happened. There was a gap here. It didn't fill back, and another one came. It didn't fill back. Another one came. It filled a little, and this is a fair value gap. What I came to teach you guys this night. Look at this place. Look at this place. Look at this place. There was a fair value gap. Let me clear it again and show you the fair value gap. Now look at the fair value gap here. This is the fair value gap. Look at this place first, and second, there was a gap here. Did you see? There was a gap. Look at it again. This is the market. This is a fair value gap. Okay, this is two. Now let me show you again. Look at this. You can see. Let me tell you, this particular coin is going to return back. It's going to fill all these places you are seeing here. Okay, even if the market this coin want to go down, okay, it will not continue to go down like this for a very long time. Okay, so what do I need to do? I'm going to buy this coin. I can buy with $5. Okay, I can buy with $10. I can buy with 50. But the higher amount you have, the more money you make. Okay, so now let's see if the coin have lasted for a very long time, because we need a coin that have been in the market for long. So let's go to 1 hour, 1 day. So you can see this coin have been around for a very long time. Okay, this coin have lasted for more than 5 months to 1 year. Okay, so look at it here. Now that I am in 1 day market, so you can now see there was a very big fair value gap here. Okay, so what do I need to do? I'm going to buy this coin. Look at, there was a fair value gap. A fair value, it started from this particular place and it came to this place. This market is going to return back. Okay, I don't know, from the time you are watching this video, it might have returned back for you to confirm what I'm telling you. There is a fair value gap. So we are using this fair value gap to make a lot of money from the market. Most of you guys doesn't know about it. Okay, you can do this on Binance and Bybit, and you see yourself making a lot of money. Make sure you join my VIP group, because I'm going to be showing you the more trick. There are some bots that I normally use for my trade I can still give you. So